Hi guys, welcome to Food and Living. Sari is one of the most famous and a very unique and culturally backing from about 2000 years old, and it is a fabric which is worn by women for more than 2000 years now, and it is yet retaining its range because of the comfort it brings, the versatility it has, and the various styles of draping which people have come up these days, and also the handlooms, the varied varieties of fabrics which comes as saris, and it is unstitched also. So this gives a lot of freedom in the way it is draped and how it is worn, how it is carried. So it is one of the most favorite and liked by most women of all ages, irrespective of the age. It is liked by most of them. So here is an attempt by me to show one of the most beautiful and the most loved dress, according to me, is a sari, where we can look both modern, chic, and also gives a touch of ethnic wear, and it gives a different, a unique kind of style. It brings it brings out the woman in you. So an attempt here is to show how to drape a sari. I have divided the video into two parts. The first part is showing how to drape a sari basic, where it is also covering a part where short girls can also wear a sari and look very nice and sensuous. And the second part is a little experimental, where I have shown two different styles of sari draping. So please do watch both of it, and do like and share the video, and also comment in the comment section below as to which of the drapes you like the most and which is the sari you like the most. So to watch the video, please stay tuned and let's start the video. Anjali and Ankita have gracefully agreed, and they have modeled for me, so I have used Anjali and Ankita for the sari draping tutorial. Kindly do watch and like and show your love towards the channel.
Wear an inskirt of the same color as your sari, and choosing a sari which is very lightweight and has a solid color can make you look slimmer and taller too. So start draping it. Take a innermost corner of the sari and insert it according to the height. It is better to wear heels before you start wearing your sari. And a tip for short girls is not to part your hair, but to tie a bun like this, which can give you extra height, and it cannot give you literal height but can make you look taller. Then you'll insert like this. After one round, what you're going to do is, for the ease and to know what length of pallu you want to have, we'll first pleat the pallus like this. Place the fabric between the two fingers like I'm doing, until you reach the desired thickness of the pallu. That is the width, I mean. So you can pin this so that the pleats do not budge and do not move from its sides. So you can pin the pleats and then pin it to the blouse. And using a smaller and a thinner pin is better than going for a very big or wide pin. So we'll first decide the length. Having a long pallu will also give a look of a tall frame, and can also look very sensuous. A tip is to wear a well-fitted blouse, and to have the curve made visible, you have to pull the fabric like this along your waist and pin it below, like I'm just doing. It is a good idea to tie the sari below the navel. And then with the remaining fabric, you'll again start pleating between your fingers like I'm doing. You will use your thumb and the index finger and place the fabric between your other fingers, and then do it like this, pleating. You can also use pins to hold these pleats also together if you are a beginner. Bring them together and arrange it. This is a crucial step so that all your pleats are in place, and you can adjust the length. You will insert it a little towards, not at the center, but a little away from the center, so that it can help you walk very easily. And insert it slowly. can see this is going to give you frame, and also if there is a nice border, even that will be made visible. This is how you can wear saree and have a better frame too. And the remaining fabric, it is essential that you pull the remaining fabric and insert it behind. And for the pleats, we'll take another step. We'll have a butterfly pleat pallu, where we do this, just pull it and insert a pin inside so that it is staying at the place. And then we have already pinned the pallu, and take it on your shoulders and the placement of pin can also play a crucial role in sari, the outlook of the sari. So pull it a bit tight, make it tighter so that the sari looks well framed and you look very slim and tall. Also having a smaller width for the pallu can give you a chic and very modern yet youthful look. So for the front pleat, we are going to use the egg-shaped pin so that your sari is not having holes of the pins. So as you see, the look of the sari, even short girls can look ravishing with such colors and such choice of colors.